Hi students, welcome to Whichchem YouTube channel. So many people are giving you that deleted syllabus. Syllabus is deleted, new term exam. So but nobody is giving you proper authentic information. Okay, see, you can check the authenticity. This is the CBSE complete website. Okay, and here we got some information, but nowhere here it is mentioned that syllabus is deleted. Okay, so but whether it is deleted or not, if deleted, how you can change it as per the term wise, what is the syllabus, deleted syllabus PDF for the term wise. Okay, for the physics, for the chemistry, likewise subject wise, term wise. If you want, you can check this video full details from its beginning to the last, where you have to search, how do you have to search, and whether the authentic information is correct or not. Let us check over here. Okay, so before proceeding further, I expect all of you already have subscribed my channel. If not subscribed, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updated information in the proper manner. Okay, and you can join my telegram so that I can guide you for the various entrance examination like NEET, IIT, JEE, including local examinations, state-wise examinations like MSET, EPSET, MHT, CET, so that you can get the good career options. Okay, so coming to the topic, so here we have the term-wise split up of the model, exam model only they have given, syllabus they have given, but whatever the books you are having, NCERT and all, there are some topics might be deleted. Okay, so you have to compare each and everything from the current syllabus to your NCERT. So it will be very good if possible that, if it is possible that deleted topics is separately informed to you. That is going to be the one of the good things. So after a lot of hard work, after a lot of research, I have done this. So I expect all of you to share this video link, not this video link to your friends personally. If you do it something personally to your friends, then they will feel very good to have a good friend like you. Okay, and you can also share through the status, or you can also share through the friends groups also, and they will be benefited, and their blessings also will be with you. Okay, and if you like this video, then I will also be motivated. I will come out with the more simplified way of studying. Okay, and I think all of you have cross checked my video lectures of the previous year to previous year chemistry chapter wise, DPPs, one shot lectures. Okay, lot of stuff is there, you can check it out. I will give you the links in my telegram group, so you join my telegram group. Okay, so coming to the topic, so here term wise secondary curriculum. So let us go term wise secondary curriculum, let us go for the 11th and 12th. Okay, so here we have to check for the revised academic and term wise skill and some elective. Okay, sorry. So if you check here, there will be a term wise languages also there, term wise electives also there. So let us check here with the chemistry. Okay, so term wise chemistry split up you will be getting. So once you check through this, okay, so here the papers are totally they have done into the two parts, and the one blunder what they have made is initially they have given the objective, and after that it is the second term examination is going to be the subjective. This is very bad for the class 12 students, because they are going to give the entrance examinations which are objective, and they are preparing for the board in the subjective. And when the once initially they should have kept it the subjective, and the final session must be objective. So that is one of the drawback I felt in this pattern. You also might be feeling the same or not. Okay, so if you feel that if CBSE should have done this, you can write in the comment section. So try to be very interactive with our channel. You can write all your views in the comment section, so that all can be collected, the reviews of the all subscribers, and accordingly according to your view I can change my content. Okay, so coming to here, there are total marks wise distribution, chapter wise distribution also there. So here we can check here in the first term for the class 11th. Okay, so these are the 11 marks from the first two chapters only, some basic concepts of chemistry and atomic structure, classification of elements. So the highest marks are from the first two chapters only, second highest marks are from the organic chemistry. Okay, so like this they have given the syllabus. You can see nowhere it is mentioned the deleted, nowhere it is mentioned the deleted. Okay, and these are the experiments they have given, lot of things are given here. This is for the second class 11 term 2. Okay, and here it is most important is states of matter and thermodynamics 15 marks, hydrocarbon and S block equilibrium 11 and 9 marks. Okay, so this is you can also download from the description box link, by I will provide you the link. Okay, experiment and all they have given. Okay, so exam pattern also they have given. So practical they are going to give you the 15 marks. Okay, that means you have to be you have to be in the good books of your teacher, because these 15 marks is going to be with your teacher. Okay, so and only remaining 35 marks will be conducted through the examination, will be awarded through the examination. So you can check here in the entire portion, nowhere deleted syllabus. Okay, now where you will get the deleted syllabus? Okay, so you can cross check yourself, nowhere it is said deleted syllabus. Now I will show you from where you have to download the deleted syllabus chapter wise and term wise. Okay, let's go. So here you can search in the Google WhichChem Blogspot. What you have to search, WhichChem Blogspot. It is our own blogspot where I will be providing you lot of good information, downloadable version. Okay, so that I can help you to fall. Okay, help you from the falling down. So like this, see, I have given you the JEE mains complete session, all PDF, subject wise PDF, and what is NTA given, what is the actual answer, and all subject to PDF in one download also. Okay, so here what will be the cutoff? Now you can check here CBSE 2022 21-22 term deleted syllabus. You have to click over here. Okay, so I think all of you can do that, and you can also follow my blogspot. Like here, if you have to press the follow button, then you will be getting the all notification and all will be the relevant information. Okay, so here you will get the reduced syllabus download. Okay, so for example, if you want to get the term 1 reduced syllabus, okay, physics, you can check here physics, you can press here download. Okay, so that entire PDF with the deleted syllabus, will be downloaded. Okay, same way term 1 chemistry, term 2 chemistry, term 1 physics, like that so many, and I will show you the downloaded file so that you can understand how to utilize that. So here you can check with this the syllabus assigned for the term 1 theory. Everything is clearly written, 90 minutes time, and maximum marks will be 35. Okay, so this is the syllabus and pattern. Here these are the syllabus of the physics. Okay, these are the syllabus of the physics. Okay, and now you can check with the practical syllabus. Okay, practical syllabus. Now you can check here term 1 deleted portion. Okay, from which chapter what is deleted, from which chapter what is deleted. Okay, so term 2 theory, likewise what is marking scheme, what is the syllabus available, and at the end of it what you are going to get, you are going to get the deleted syllabus. Okay, so deleted syllabus is separately given to you. I think all of you will share this session to share this video to all of your friends. And once again I remind you, if not like this video, kindly like this, and I will give you the all subjects provided if I get more views and more likes on this video. Thank you. Bye bye.